Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XNET. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above this previous breakout point at 445. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 445, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that mark, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, then the price is just totally healthy. The bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that in your mind. Once more, sure, staying above 445 would be great, but at the end of the day, from the grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, main level right now, right up here around the $4.90 mark. I realize the price did kind of go up above there, but in my mind, the main point in price congestion, where the majority of these data points are, is right there around the 490 mark. So 490 will be public enemy number one going into Thursday. All in all, though, very nice movement today, great momentum, and now it's just a question of starting to build higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over extended periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.